The bold idea I think I'm chasing is definitely passing down a legacy. So my creativity is on the go only because I meet so many new people every day and meeting new personalities every day, and that is the only reason that we're so up and close and personal with all our clients.
I don't like to play by the book. It's very candid with me. Whatever discussions I'm having with the client, it's only by the experience that I'm getting on a daily basis. Our office is actually a 4,000 square feet of basement space, and divided into two areas, you can say, which we created in a way that it should look like a one-bedroom setup. So it gives us a very homely vibe, and the clients are also not entering into a retail showroom. They're actually entering into the space where they can feel how their living room and their dining and everything will look like.
I think as soon as you enter the space, you have this whole, you can see all the working stations together, you can see our cabins, you can see my baby's nursery, you can see the material library. So it's like one point view and you'll see everything in one go. So I think that is the best part about the studio. The driving force in our firm is Shaluji, my mother. After a year of when I started Lalitya, she stepped in and she's like, I'm going to take over your furniture, because I had the worst time getting furniture done from the vendors which were outside.
Shaluji is here 3 to 4 times, in a week, and she makes sure that she's well versed with the architectural requirements at the side, the design requirements at the side, the furniture part, obviously.
तो मुझे लगता है कि गर्ल्स को बहुत हार्ड वर्क करके अपने पैरों पे इतना स्टैंड होना चाहिए कि उनको किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं हो कभी भी। मेरे साथ साथ शिवानी और आयुष ने भी इतना हार्ड वर्किंग किया कि आज हमारी फैक्ट्री 40,000 एरिया में है और 2,000 वर्किंग पीपल हैं हमारे साथ, डे और नाइट काम करते हैं।
Let me take you through one of the most iconic projects that we just recently finished, I think about 2 weeks back. Opposite to my designs, no gold, very English colors, only beiges you'll see, and you'll only see solid colors. You will not see a lot of popping stuff happening here and there. So this project that we've just delivered is 4,500 square feet. It is in Gurgaon, one of the most luxurious high-end societies of Gurgaon. So as you can see, I think, as soon as you enter the space, you can see the whole house, but in a glimpse. But it is a lot of glass use. There are very less walls. So it's you walk in, you can see a nice family lounge, you can see a nice living room, a dining room, a bar area. And then opposite to that, you'll only see bedroom doors, nothing else. So I think it's one of the best layouts that I have done.
The working atmosphere in the office is very, very open. Everybody's very close to each other in terms of their personal lives and professional lives. And all credit goes to Shivani. She has been upfront about it that I don't want to be that corporatish firm.
So working with Ayush sir and Shivani ma'am, it's more like an adventure every single day, and it does not feel like a very rigid work environment. You are free to go over your thoughts, you're free to experiment on your own.
We don't have like something that we're chasing in our life, but we are very clear that we do want to create a legacy, and that legacy doesn't have to be passed on to like our kids, but this is something that I always tell my team members that after 10-15 years when I want to retire, I want maybe one of my team members take over Lalitya.